Good day everyone. So for this video, I am going to show you on how to make a custom power cable using USB cable wire and alligator clip. Before anything else, we need to prepare our materials. First, scissors, soldering iron, soldering lead, digital multimeter, USB cable wire and alligator clip. As you can see on the video, I am cutting the other part or the other end of the USB cable wire. It should be done in order for the USB cable wire to insert in alligator clip. Make sure that the USB cable wire is properly knotted on the alligator clip. In this part of the experiment, make sure that you properly hold the soldering iron in order to avoid or to cause any harm. In this part of the experiment, just do the same process on what you did on the first alligator clip. Once you have done in soldering the lead in the alligator clip, it is time to test the alligator clip in the digital multimeter. In this part of the video experiment, you can see that the digital multimeter show our result after I test the alligator clip and the USB cable wire.